really subscribe to the ideology of total physical response. Um, because I think it speaks to my way of teaching. And I understand TPR to be educational and instructional. And I'll demonstrate that a little bit. Uh, I'll just do a little acting. And I do want, again, I want to apologize. I am not home. I'm actually on an overnight from with my job, so I don't have my background and kid-friendly props. But I'm going to do my very best to demonstrate what I mean. So I get in the log on 15 minutes prior for the class. Make sure my sound and video is good. Make sure my internet is good. I'll go over the lesson, make sure there's no grammatical errors, typos or anything like that. Go through the vocabulary, and then I'll wait for my student. And then when my student comes in, I'll say, "Hi, how are you? Hello, hi. My name is Teacher Shelly. What is your name?" John. Hi, John. It's very nice to meet you. Hi, John. All right, John. Today we'll talk about colors. Yes, colors are pretty and fun. Yes, yes, yes. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, John, look. hmm John, can you read for me, please? Okay. While John is reading, I'm going to show him that I'm listening, that I am engaged, and I'll use my cursor to guide him through the sentence. So John would read. This is my cursor, but it's down here. John would read, and I'll guide him through. What color is this? Yes. And I'll say, continue. This is blue. He has a blue mask. Yes, John. John, I'll follow up. What color is this? And of course, I'll have kid-friendly props. I promise I won't have a dusty old mask. What is this? What color is this? The color is blue. Yes, the color is blue. John, what does he have in the picture? He has a blue mask. Yes, John, he has a blue mask. Great job. Okay, John, let's move on. And then I'll move on to the lesson. And then move on through the lesson, of course, using TPR constantly to let them know, hey, I need them to respond. I'm saying something. I'm waiting for their answer. I want them to continue. I want them to focus and look and zoom in on what we are talking about or about to talk about. I need their attention. I'll say, look. I'll try to keep it as simple as I possibly can. And I want to speak more to the TPR and the differences between instructional and educational. So I learned that, again, TPR is instructional and educational, like I just showed. I'm instructing them that I want them to do something. I'm giving them an instruction. So I'm speaking and I need them to respond, right? Also, educational. If I wanted them to say dog, I would say, John, say dog. And I'll wait for John, and John isn't saying anything. And so I'll go, John, say dog, dog. John doesn't know what I'm talking about. So maybe I'll use educational TPR to explain to him